Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to design this kind of pictures. So let's open Canva. Let's choose the size. I have my picture right now. If you want, you can choose your own photos. Let's import this one. Let's remove the background first and make the photo bigger, and let's go to elements and change the background. This background is looking good. Set image as a background. So this is our photo. Let's download this one as a PNG. Let's change the name, save. And we don't need the background anymore. Let's write our text in Elements. Go to Frames and Letters. We're gonna write bird, so B-R-B-I-R-D. Make them smaller. Like this one. So let's import the pictures we have. New picture. And we should duplicate and put it in the frame. Again, duplicate, put it in the frame, duplicate, put it in the frame, all again, we can put it here. And let's go to the frames and make the picture bigger. Put it in the project size. These ones as well. Make them bigger. And this one. Also this one. So our writings are almost ready. Let's add this picture, the main one, and from positions, position again, layers, put it in the back, like this one. And let's change the writings with the border weight and make it to white. We can copy the design, put it here, copy the design, put it here, again. So this is the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.